In this quick guide, I'll show you how to properly turn on your Rinnai Tankless water heater the right way so it runs safely, efficiently, and without error codes. Before powering on your Rinnai Tankless water heater, three critical setup steps must be completed. First is the power connection. The unit must be plugged directly into a grounded three-prong outlet. Never use extension cords or adapters, as they can cause unstable power and safety risks. Second is the gas valve setup. Make sure the manual gas valve is fully open and confirm the gas type matches the dip switch settings on the control board. Natural gas requires a minimum of 5 inches water column pressure, while propane requires at least 8 inches. Third is water flow setup. Both hot and cold isolation valves must be fully open to allow proper circulation, and you should always check for leaks at all connections. Once power, gas, and water are properly set, turn the unit on using the temperature controller. The display will light up, confirming power. Set your desired temperature, usually 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Then open a hot water tap. The flow sensor will activate, the burner will ignite automatically, and the in-use indicator will turn on, confirming normal operation. For better control, press the priority button on the controller. To keep your system running efficiently, perform regular maintenance like periodic flushing to remove mineral buildup,